Hey everybody, Jason Schleifer here from the Griptape team. So one of the big things that we try and help people with is making repeatable workflows so you can use things over and over again and kind of build out these little like fixer workflows that do things. So for example, this is one I called the fixer, which allows you to take a initial image and then do like a draw over or provide a note, and then it will take those two images and then pass them to another like describe image node, and it will go ahead and create a prompt that demonstrates that calls out the difference between the two images and tells an image generation model how to manipulate the image to get that new result. So this, passes that to GPT image 1, I believe, and then now you can see the difference between the two based off of the draw over. And then we output the resulting fixed image. So this is saved as a workflow. And then we can use that in any other workflow or in Nuke or something like that. So in this case, I've got an image generation here, and I'm going to bring in the workflow node, and I'll specify the fixer, which is that particular workflow. It will then show me the original image and the edit image inputs. And then I can take the image, connect that in as the original, and now I need to do some drawovers. So I'm going to use this Annotate image node, which is available as one of the libraries that you can add to Griptape nodes. And then I can start doing some drawovers and things like that. So we can add some text and just say, close the collar. I can point to it. So there's arrows. We have shape controls. You can modify the arrows a little bit and curve them and stuff like that. We can add multiple layers to our drawovers. I can rename them. So this is going to be my drawing layer. And then we've also got pressure sensitivity and color selector and all sorts of things like that, just to try and make this as flexible and customizable as possible. And all of the editing and everything that's done here is using a custom widget. So this is all just JavaScript. And this library is open source Apache too. So if you want, you can actually look at it, look at all the skills that are used to generate that, and point your own agents to it to create your own nodes if you would like. But now you can see I pass that as the edit image, and then I get the result back. So the whole point being, we built that workflow that allows us to make edits, and then we can reuse that over and over and over again.